everyone, this is Chic Panda Interiors. Today we'll show you how to decorate for Chinese New Year using this luxury grey leather sofa bed from sofabedstore.com. For the wall, we took a calendar paper with a full caricature on this Dollar Tree gold poster for a nice shiny centerpiece. We also carefully pinned these Chinese fans to the wall for a touch of authenticity. Then we made these cute red and orange DIY paper cuts of lanterns and Chinese knots. First, we traced our homemade stencils and cut out the outline of the colored paper. To avoid crease lines, we used a penknife to cut the inner details. Then we stuck them up with double-sided tape. We hung these two Kusdama flower balls at the corners just because they went well with the red and gold colors of the look. For the sofa, we are going to pull up the recliners to a nicer height. For this particular look, they are very easy to pull up and they come in many different positions. For the sofa, we have a snake because it's the year of the snake. Again, Pooh Bear was just in the right colors, so here he is holding the red envelope. Next, let's get the shelf. We just arranged some of these Chinese books in the right colors and put these nice pink roses to freshen it up. The interior design, you don't have to buy everything, you can just use everyday items. Next, for the main table, we have a traditional platter with 8 compartments for prosperity, filled with nuts, dried fruits, and candy. Then we have some more ang pao to keep the design cohesive, a pink ribbon flower, and 2 oranges. On the other table, we have a Chinese doll from the Smithsonian, a pomelo with ang pao paper, and a few red stars we made by folding red ribbon. Now the side table. We'll put a white cloth for contrast, then we'll display this cute miniature teapot set from my grandma and my grandfather's teapot and his teacups, with some ang pao for a finishing touch. And then we'll add the red and gold flower bouquet in the Chinese New Year colors. The red envelopes come with some very pretty design. I hope you liked our Chinese New Year decor ideas, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more interior design transformations like this. Happy Chinese New Year! It's the year of the snake.